Hello. So in Poland we have these machines when we can pick up the packages. Today I'm gonna try to make an unboxing video. Personally, I love to watch them. I love to watch reviews of tech or like any other devices. It's entertainment for me. So I bought the jack to lightning adapter for my lavalier mic and the lavalier mic, but I had a problem and I have to return this microphone because it makes like a noise without me speaking. Unfortunately, I need to return this item to Amazon. I bought the Spigen liquid air case. I use my green one, but for me it's enough. I thought I'm gonna go crazy with green, but it's just too much for me. I just prefer like simple black colors, like the screen protector, because mine, I like to drop my phone and I constantly need a new screen protectors to make my like screen clean without any scratches. Now let me show you this sound. I hate returning products, but I have to. Just hear this. Testing the microphone. Test of the microphone. Test of the microphone. Yeah, that's when you want to buy the cheapest equipment on Amazon. Sometimes it's just nice to pay more and invest in better quality. So I need to look for another lavalier microphone. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.